Hey guys, it's Peter Jordan with Delta Auto and Marine here on the Lost Angler channel, and we're going to be taking a look at another LT25 from Custom Gheenoe. So hang tight, we're going to go through this pretty quick before the storm rolls in, hopefully. So let's take. Okay, so starting out up front, we have the shark eyes for your navigation lights. We have the trolling motor bracket that has the stakeout anchor. I really love the way Custom Gheenoe does this. It's powder coated, but by using this rubberized bracket right in here, your trolling motor mount sit in there, keeps it from sliding around, keeps you from messing up your powder coating. Really, really great looking. We have a swing tongue on the trailer, and really nice feature, especially if you're like me and you live in a subdivision where they are very anti-boats. We have the shark eyes powder coated in black. Now moving into the boat, we already have trolling motor wiring. That's going to make your life a lot easier for your rigging. If you want us to do it, I'm super happy to do it. We have your pedestal mount for your fishing seat if you want to go up front. This boat is in the olive and khaki, or tan, excuse me, so it will do a really great job if you want it to do double duty for hunting. Notice that we left that wide open in the front. You can put about 1.5 million decoys. Gotta hurry up, rain's coming. Alright, we have the backrest right here on the grab bar. And then we also have the electronics box right here. So it's going to give you control of everything you'd normally have on a center console. We have a back bench cushion. Okay, so needless to say, I didn't make it out in time. That stinks. Okay, so we're back. Rain let up. So anyway, where were we? So right here, if you take a look at our grab bar, you're going to have all of the same controls that you would normally have on your center console. And it's really easy for us to set up and mount a really nice electronics package on this boat. So you can honestly have all the same stuff that you would from a center console onto one of these boats right here. And by doing the transom mounted polling platform, you really got every inch of space. And that was kind of the goal with this boat, was to let you use every inch of available space in the boat. Underneath the cushion right here, you are going to see our live well. So you've got a really, really big live well, and it is insulated with closed cell foam, so that it's going to help keep your bait or your catch alive a lot longer, so you're not dealing with big fluctuations in temperature. Alright, in the back, we are going to have a Group 27 deep cycle trolling motor battery and your fuel cell. Your fuel is going to be, in this one, 3 gallons. Don't let that smaller fuel set scare you. That's going to give you around a 30 to 40 mile range with this 25 horse Tohatsu. So honestly, in a boat this size, dude, you'd have to be running forever. So great boat. Really, really sharp looking critter. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 251-517-5755. And again, we're at Delta Auto and Marine. In the description below, you're going to see a link to this boat on our website so that you can see the pricing, features, everything that's on the boat itemized out for you guys. Okay guys, thanks again for watching. Remember, you can check us out at deltaautoandmarine.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the store, and we'll see you on the water.